What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BagChaserTavaris and the bit man. Amen. Say man, we are back again with another lit banger, man. In today's video, we got Georgia State Patrol Rams fleeing Hellcat to in pursuit. Man, y'all know how I get on here on this channel, man. We hate when the Mopars get smashed up. And my take on this is I don't never understand how Hellcat owners be letting like police get close enough to them to even be able to pit maneuver them. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get into it on game. Let's see what we got going. Look, Hellcat already peaked, immediately got over. That's what I'm seeing. As y'all do know, the sound do take a while to come in on these videos. Officer already got the plate. That's another thing I don't understand. If you was gonna run, you should have just punched it. It's a wide body bit too. Wide bodies be looking so good. Officer ain't going for that. That bitch sound good, y'all. Gotta love the Hellcats. Look, Hellcat gone. Bit moving. Look, 166. Already, that's crazy word. Yeah, that's definitely a driver flaw. He get caught, man. This is GSP though, I believe. I know when y'all facing GSP, man, it's good luck. He keep tapping the brakes and shit though. Yeah, bro, he's slowing down too much, y'all. Oh, he jumping back on. He turned around. Like I told y'all, bro, if let me get this out real quick, y'all. I feel like, bro, when you in a chase, I'm not condoning chases or anything like that, but I feel like it's the dumbest thing to do. If you're on a chase and you don't say they can still see you, but you decide to turn around on a highway, I feel like you're a dummy. So I'm saying 9 times out of 10, the officer coming from where other officers was, or not even that, they're gonna be lining up other officers like behind you. You know what I'm saying? I gotta stop saying, you know what I'm saying. My bad, y'all. But y'all see where I'm coming from. Basically, I think it would be smarter if he got far enough away to where the officer didn't even see him get off the freeway. Then he could have did a little U-turn, got back on there. That makes more sense to me. That's all I got to say. Cause now he giving the call out. Hey, we on the way back this way. They about to have the spike strips ready, damn near. That Hellcat moving though. I feel like he not moving fast enough. It's definitely faster than that. And he on the shoulder going crazy. He would be dangerous on these shoulders. Look, passing flying debris. I hate that sound. Hey, y'all ever fell asleep? Y'all hit the little shoulder and it's like wake you up real quick. And it feels so weird. Yeah, see, he not pulling away fast enough. He keep bullshitting. If you gonna ride the shoulder, he might as well keep doing it.
Are you serious? Get out of the way.
I ain't gonna lie, that truck really ain't even have no. They ain't had no like chance to get over. These officers would be on dick. Be on me. And traffic not really too. It's heavy, but it's not too heavy though. Now, yeah.
Barge Road northbound. Barge Road northbound. charge goes to Fairman Road, so anybody come up there because we're going to be coming high.
See what?
Go back on.
Y'all, dark roads be scaring me, cuz.
Imagine being able to build
Hey,
an
I
app
hate
with your
ads.
name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
If y'all ever got chased and ended up on dark roads, then y'all know y'all know where I'm coming from. Allegedly, you know what I'm saying? This is hypothetical. But dark roads is scary. Next thing you know, you might be ramping something. Yeah, that's where he messed up right there, though. And he keep, yeah. I see that pit coming, man. He about to ruin a beautiful wide body scat. I mean, cat.
Wrong side of the road, still Fairman Road.
The way that mug rev out though, it sounds so good. What kind of exhaust y'all think he got done to it? I think just a muffler delete. You gotta give it to dude though. He ain't hit nothing yet. Oh, see, yeah, that's the scary part right there. Here we go. Oh, wait, what happened? No. Yep. Wide body cat down. That dude can't drive, man. That's a driver. That's a driver mod fail right there. But he cannot drive. Y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all think he got wheel or not. I'm giving him the L. He got the RGBs on the front of that mug too. You cooked, buddy. You're cooked, buddy.
Right now.
And that's one thing I'm gonna tell y'all something. That's one thing I hate about like when officers finally catch up to people. I mean, a lot of people might have different takes on this. Like maybe they deserve it. But I feel like, bro, it's not in nobody's right to say I will kill you. I will. You know what I'm saying? You would do that to a person. You don't got to say all that. Put your hands up. Like and then it's like if they reach or something, or if they are reaching for a firearm, then it's understandable. But you don't got to sit there and say you're gonna take somebody's life. Like he might not even have a firearm in the car. That's like saying if you go to reverse again, I'm finna just shoot or something. Like I don't know. That's just my take on that. That's just crazy. But yeah, buddy's cooked. Buddy cannot drive. That's all I can say. You got a cat and got caught. I'm not saying it's impossible for somebody not to get caught in a cat, but I'm saying though, that's crazy. The way he was letting them keep up on him.
What did I do? You came past me acting stupid. Then you got that illegal tag and you took off. Now you're getting felony charges. Don't say nothing else. You're too old to be out here doing that dumb stuff. You can't even drive.
Hey, the officer even said he couldn't drive, cuz.
That's what you did.
Oh my God. That's how you know I'm not capping. Hey, if the officer acknowledges the fact that you can't drive, that's crazy.
Get in the car. Now your car messed up too. And mine will get paid for by your tax, but you ain't getting nothing. Get in the car, okay? But get in the car. I don't care about your feelings.
Yeah, buddy can't drive, man. I gotta agree with that one.
Put his car apart. And mess my damn car up. But you have to get in the car. I can't. I didn't have to. You was running. But have the legs in the car. You don't know who I'm the Georgia State Patrol. I can hit your car. That's what you thought, so I was APD. Now you looked at me and you kept going. I wasn't supposed to do that.
Hold on. So if APD, what's the difference? So what? APD can't hit the cars, but Georgia State can? Y'all let me know down in the comments below.
Car. I can't. It's legs in my way. The car. I can't put your legs in the car. I didn't say slide back. I said put your legs in the car.
Yeah, the officer gassing it though. He do got a tire in there. And if y'all do know the back of the cop cars, bro, it's a tight squeeze.
Why you what are you doing? I can't bend my knee like that, man.
And this the type of stuff I be talking about. Like even if Buddy ran, bro, you don't gotta treat him like that though. If he's saying he can't fit, he can't fit. Take the wheel out or something. Smack the back of the officer's head. Who else wanted to redneck that nigga? Hey, Buddy really can't drive though.
Get in the car and put your damn legs in the seat. I'm not bullshitting with you right now. Get in the car.
Hey, Buddy getting extra mad.
Slide back. I'm not bullshitting with you right now. That was stupid. That was stupid. All you had to do was stop. And I was gonna say, dude, why do you have that tag? Damn.
And most officers always say that. All you had to do was stop. He probably still would have went to jail over something. But he might have his reasons for running. I wonder why he did run. But a lot of times, bro, people actually run just because they don't want to deal with the officers. Like, they don't want to deal with the police. They might not even have nothing wrong with their name, nothing.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Dude just sitting there like, what did I just do? I'd be looking at my car, hurt.
About to stop another car. Slams on the gas. I look at, he's got these tag cover things, so I'm gonna stop him and tell him, hey, we're just gonna take that off. We're on 166, slow rolling.
So he's saying he's just gonna take the tag off.
Takes off. I said, all right, I got one for you. I got one for you.
As you guys seen, Buddy cannot drive. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. He can't. He did not have wheel of the cat. It's verified by the officer too. Even the officer said he can't drive. That's the crazy part. But the officer saying he just probably would have gave him a slap on the wrist is, I don't know, maybe he should have stopped. You never know. Like, it could have turned good, it could have turned bad, but I don't know why dude ran. He might have his reasons. Who knows? But now the cat down, the cat beat up, wide body mug too, man. Dang. I know that hurts right there. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you niggas in the next one on Gang. Yeah.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
It's 100 to the game. I'm wondering what make niggas hate me. Just mad cause they ain't me. Been plotting on me lately. Got my file, won't let them take me. Mama knew I was a problem ever since I was a baby. In that field and I've been throwing down just like I'm Brady. Bro spot a hop, I tossed the Glock. He scored just like he was McGrady. I'm the hardest in my city. Niggas sleeping must be lazy. It just